Go, train, go! The letters have a fact about train engineers. Come on, guys, here comes the big turn. Whoop, whoop. You know the fact about trains have a smoky steam makes the sound chugga 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 choo choo. But why this very here? It's any time. Why? But why do you scream us? You hurt our ears. Cold is a little black rock that's putting in fire. It gets the fire real hot and makes the steam engine move up and down. Pretty cool, huh? Team in the wheels go on train and round, pulls the train forward. Thanks for the trains, help thee anytime. Vocation, here I come. Engineer B, I need your help. Put a call into this train. This train's run on coal. It runs on coconut. Choo choo! All aboard the Chicka Chicka Alphabet Express. Whee!